Fall is an excellent time to make a pasture investment that can pay dividends for years. Hi, I'm Joe Horner, agricultural economist with this University of Missouri Extension Farm Management Minute. In Missouri, fescue pasture covers millions of acres. Most of that fescue is infected with an endophyte fungus that decreases calf weight gain and causes cows not to rebreed. Producers have accepted these losses for years. However, replacing the toxic fescue with friendly endophyte fescue pastures and native warm season grass pastures is a solution to the problem. MU Extension estimates that renovating pastures to remove toxic fescue will yield annual returns of $198 per cow. You can start the pasture renovation process as early as this fall. Learn how to get started at grasslandrenewal.org.